gear settled here. Time to dive in. Amazing. Let's go diving.
Cheers! Woo.
Go ahead and let it fall. There's nothing there for you, nothing there at all.
Good morning and welcome to Bali. Today we're going to Nusa Penida. It's an island here, only like 40 minutes boat away. Dogs are barking in the background. We have a fantastic day ahead with like snorkeling and exploring, walking around. So just drove a bit here, 30 minutes with the car. Very beautiful sunrise. But now let's get on the boat. Probably get some coffee first. Coffee successfully acquired and ready for a new day. It actually sold a lot of cool coffee on the backer, but now we're gonna head over to the ferry. Got the ticket and we're ready to go. Definitely a beautiful morning here. Getting on the pier and the boat, and then it's like 40 minutes I think to get there. It's gonna be an amazing day. Here we have our boat. Let's get on and get the day started. Fantastic. So we've arrived here at the port, just waiting to get picked up here, enjoying the beautiful relaxing view. Nice to feel the sea breeze a little bit. Hopefully they arrive soon so we can go there and go exploring. And we are live and going. Let's go. Fantastic, recharging with a bit of a local coffee here. Strong but energizing. Now let's go and explore. Okay, time to check some fins and also some goggles, and I'm gonna jump on the boat and go out diving and snorkeling. It's gonna be pretty nice. Okay, let's get on the boat. Okay, so we got them changed and get all the gear ready. Time to pan up and go snorkeling. Nice, we got to the first spot here now to get changed, put on all the gear, dive in, see if we can see some fish. What's the name of this bay?
Gamat Bay.
Nice. What fish do we say here?
Tiger fish can see here.
Let's check it out. Let's dive in and see some more fish. Jump in. Yeah, let's get it over with. Woo! How's the dive so far? Amazing. Great day on the ocean, right? Yeah. Nice. Put the glasses on. Enjoy the view. Fantastic. Okay, let's go to the second spot. Check out fantastic views and more fish. Okay, so we're at the second one down. We have one more place to go. Go and explore a little bit more. Okay, time for the third quick stop. Then we head back. Beautiful here in the background. Nice. Okay, let's jump in. Are you ready to jump in? Let's go for it. Woo! Nice. Fantastic. Let's dive in and see if we see some fish. Amazing. Let's go diving. Great stuff. So we get the first dive done. We have 2 more to go. See some different fish. You see day here and the sun is coming out. Great. 20 minutes each place. Then we're gonna have some nice lunch. Yeah, that was a short but sweet dive. We have the crew in the background. Now let's head back and get some food and some energy. Oh yes, nice to be back on dry land after that driving. Now it's time for some food and energy. Yeah, that was a very nice start to the day. Now we're gonna move on and have some food, take a bit of a car ride, and then go to the beach. So after a pretty bumpy car ride here across the mountains, we arrived at the restaurants. Definitely looking forward to some amazing local food here. Let's see what's on offer. I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. We're getting some nice drinks here. Fantastic. Angie, we're getting some coffee here. Amazing. Definitely well needed with some coffee to get the energy back. It's been a pretty exhausting morning diving, but very rewarding. Finally, slowly getting the energy back. Nice. We're getting the fish here. Fantastic. Thank you. I only had one dish included. I had the chicken, but also needed to boost the protein with a bit of an extra crispy fish here. Ooh, now we have the chicken coming in. Fantastic. Yes, here. Wow. Amazing. So we have a lot of good chicken here as well, together with the fish. Let's dive in and try. Yeah, we're a bit tight on the schedule. Just gonna eat quickly, but just gonna enjoy this totally crazy, nice, crispy chicken here. Let's have a bite. Wow, that's very crispy and nice. Let's try this big fish. A little bit fatty, but very rewarding. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time, enjoy this, and then go exploring. Yes, after that very rewarding lunch and a very bumpy drive once again, passing by some nice temples and views. Go to this crazy background here where we're looking at this viewpoint. We're gonna walk around a little bit. Not enough time to go to the beach, unfortunately. We need to walk down 40 minutes, so gotta catch the ferry. But just gonna relax a little bit here, chill, have some fruit perhaps, enjoy the view and see what's around the corner. So let's take a look. So after some exploration here, I need some snacks. I brought some really weird fruits here yesterday. Not sure if you can see, got a bit crushed in the backpack, but that's what happens when you travel. Let's have a bite and see what it is. Interesting stuff, brown. I thought it would taste like a kiwi, but definitely not sweet. Not my favorite so far, but fun to try different fruits. Good to have some natural energy. And now let's continue exploring and see what's up next. Let's have another one. Let's try one of these snake fruits here. Not sure if you can see the skin, but it basically looks like snake skin. Let's have a bite. Cracking open, and then you can see here, almost looks like garlic, but let's have a bite. White inside, nice. Let's have a bite. Definitely a lot better, and a lot of wind going on. Sweet, tastes a bit like jackfruit. Great energy. Finally on the way back after a very long drive and wait, but we get treated front row seat here behind the captain. Not too bad. Now just gonna make it back, and probably a very long car drive as well, but could be worse. Yeah, let's get back to the hotel. But still a very nice day despite some small issues here on the way getting on the boat. Even better, we can sit outside here and enjoy the crazy wind on the back. Fantastic view here in the background. I've had worse endings to leaving than this, that's for sure. So I made it back, and there's definitely some party vibes going on in the background here. Now we're gonna head back to the hotel. Who knows, maybe also can go some partying tonight. We'll see. Nice, we got them changed. We're back here at this beautiful villa with a pool. Now we're gonna head up and have some very nice dinner, but after that we might go and explore some night market and even maybe go to a club or something. One of my friends leaving tomorrow, so last night to do so. That means I'm not gonna bring this camera here, so I'm gonna use my phone. Maybe sprinkle in some fun clips after this, we'll see, but I will leave this camera for here. So at least if you want to see more high quality videos and good resolution, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. But I'm probably gonna throw in some stuff here, so see you a bit later. Yeah, it definitely seems like we found a cool restaurant here, Nook, just nearby. Let's have some amazing food. We have some interesting green drink here, let's try it. Basil, mint. Interesting stuff. Tasty, that's for sure. Nice. Ooh, stuff.
I know you will.
Just going for a vodka soda with a bit of a lime here, keeping the calories low. Great stuff. Fantastic. So we have some food coming in. That's incredible. Amazing. We have some more great food coming in here. Curry, I think.
Oh, the cafe.
Amazing.
I love the decoration and
Nice. We got the whole duck here. It's incredible. And we have the tempeh salad here. Amazing stuff. Fantastic. More great stuff coming in. We have some curry chicken coming in. And here is the vegetable vegetarian one. Wow, vegetable skewers. That's looking insane. I just had a bit of a near-death experience encounter with this peanut sauce here, but survived. So I guess we have a reason to cheers for being alive. Cheers! Woo! Today full of adventure and party ahead. Let's go. Wow, we're getting some desserts.
Black rice pudding?
black rice pudding.
Sticky rice pudding. Oh, this one is great. I can confirm that.
Wow, more sauce coming in. Nice chia pudding, interesting stuff. And then we have the mango sticky rice.
Banana split.
Wow,
It looks nice.
totally incredible feast of food here in the background coming in. I can sit down and enjoy this. Have some drinks probably, and then go and check out the local nightclub. Can take our time and enjoy this amazing dinner here. So see you a bit later. So after that pretty amazing meal, we're gonna check out the nightlife a little bit. Not go too crazy. We're gonna go explore tomorrow, but fun since my friend is leaving tomorrow. So we'll check it out, see what happens. So see you there. Definitely a lot of nightlife going on in the background of the restaurant. Found this place, Shi Shi, in the background. No clue what it is. Let's check it out from inside. Yeah, I think my clubbing days definitely are over. Fun to try a little bit after a long day, but I think I'm gonna leave you guys here with some clips in the end from some of the best songs here, some old classics, but for now I'm gonna go home. So if you wanna see more of this, perhaps a little bit calmer, more relaxing things, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.